To remove vibration when wake up alarm of the sleep mode rings in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap sleep, tap turn on automatically, and then tap your sleep schedule, and then tap the blue on off switch next to vibration to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. Next, tap save button, and then tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now your phone will not vibrate when the wake up alarm in the sleep mode rings. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.